Hi guys, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to add multiple layers of videos in kineMaster. Adding multiple video layers in kineMaster like this.
Like this is an example of pointer. So like a section of the pointer box, check your deleted.
So as you can see, there's a video here playing. There's also a video here playing of different authors. Okay, now in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do this. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please like my video, share with your friends, family, and total strangers. Without further ado, let's jump right to today's tutorial. Welcome back. So the first thing to do is to open your kineMaster, select this button. Now the aspect ratio I prefer to use is this, okay, for wider view. Once you have that, you have a blank space, okay. So what you need to do is to select your media. Once you select the media, do not select any video here, okay. Just select a background. So I always prefer to use white as my background. Alright, so on this background is where we are going to add the videos in terms of the layers, right? Okay, so next select layer, media. Okay, so let me search for the videos. Okay, so select this. Sorry about that. I want to select videos. Okay, so this same one, and just put it somewhere here for now. Okay, then select on this icon to frame it for me. Okay, so I can easily position it like this. Alright, that is to split the screen. Then select this. So the next thing, I want to apply the second video layer. So select layer, select media. So let's look for the other video I want to apply. Don't know, I keep on selecting on this. So select videos. So let me select, I think this is it. Okay, so from here select split and select this other one. So with this I can easily position the video. So at this stage, once I play it, you will notice it will stop at a particular point here. So let me play it so you can see. So let me play it first. Okay, so I won't be able to use this video to play this video to the length because this is not my video, alright, and I don't want YouTube to actually ban me from using it. So now what am I trying to say here is, let me turn off the audio, okay, so that YouTube won't ban me from using someone else's video. Okay, so select this. Now let me play it again so that you can see what I'm trying to say. Okay, so play. So as you can see, we're almost there. Now you notice the video paused at this point. Okay, reason is the background layer we applied is just once, okay, which is just about 5 seconds, 5.9 seconds. Okay, so to make it extend, like to cover the whole page, so we can actually increase this, okay, just by dragging it to whatever length we want. That is, it all depends on the video. Okay, it all depends on the video. Now, so from here, let's take a look at it and play it. So you notice something is actually going on at this side, okay, but the author here is introducing itself, so you can see it's now changing. Okay, so there are two different authors, as you can see, two different videos. Okay, so I can actually move it forward so you can see it's moving. Okay, so then you can continue to play it, and as you can see. Okay, so guys, that is it. If you find this video helpful, please kindly click on the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed, like this video, share with your friends, family, and total strangers. In case you have any question on video editing, anything particular to your phone, please feel free to leave your question in the comment section below. Bye for now. Peace.